Again, welcome to my channel. Did you know that the right words spoken at the right time can make any woman, yes, even married women, feel an irresistible attraction to you? It's not about being smooth or using cheesy pickup lines. It's about understanding psychology. How language taps directly into the emotions that build powerful connections. Today we're diving into 6 phrases backed to by psychology that no woman can resist. If you've ever wondered what truly makes words so powerful, then stick around. What you're about to learn could change your relationships forever. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we explore the inner workings of the mind and uncover fascinating psychology facts. In today's video, we're going to talk about 6 incredibly effective phrases that can create deep emotional bonds with women. These aren't just any phrases. They're specifically designed to trigger emotional responses that make women feel connected and valued. Whether she's single, in a relationship, or even married, these phrases are rooted in psychological principles that speak to the heart of human connection. But before we dive into these phrases, let's first talk about why words have such a profound impact on us, especially on women. You see, human beings, lesson number 1, are wired for emotional connection, and language plays a huge role in that. The right words can trigger emotions, desires, and needs that we might not even realize we have. And here's where it gets interesting. When you know how to use these phrases with the right timing and tone, you're not just having a conversation, you're building an emotional connection that's hard to ignore. So let's break this down and explore how you can use language to create irresistible attraction. Why words are so powerful. Think about it. Why do we respond so deeply to words? Why is it that a simple sentence can make us feel happy, understood, or even deeper connected to someone? Words are more than just sounds. They are carriers of emotions, and women in particular tend to be more emotionally in tune with. Language research shows that women generally respond more strongly to verbal communication than men do. This is why the right phrase spoken at the right moment can resonate on a deeper emotional level. Women are not only listening to what you say, they're interpreting the meaning behind your words, the tone and the intent. If you can connect with her emotionally through words, you're already on your way to building something more meaningful. That's why these 6 phrases we're about to discuss are so impactful. They're not just casual compliments. They're strategic, emotionally charged statements that trigger deep psychological responses. Phrase 1. I understand how you feel. The first phrase we're going to talk about is, I understand how you feel. Now, this phrase might sound simple, but it's incredibly powerful because it speaks to one of the most basic human needs, the need to feel understood. Women, in particular, are drawn to men who can offer emotional empathy. When you say, I understand how you feel, you're showing her that you're tuned into her emotions and that you're validating her experience. You're telling her that she's not alone in what she's feeling. And here's why this works so well. Empathy creates connection. When lesson number 2, someone feels understood, they naturally open up and trust you more. Many women feel that men don't really get them. So when you make the effort to show that you truly understand, it can make her feel closer to you. The key here is that you're not just saying, I hear you, but rather, I feel what you're feeling. That's a big difference, and it's what makes this phrase so effective. Phrase 2, I appreciate you. The next phrase is one of the most underrated ways to make a woman feel valued. Appreciate you. In today's fast-paced world, we often throw out quick compliments like, you look nice, or that's a great outfit. But how often do we really show genuine appreciation for someone as a person? The phrase, I appreciate you, goes beyond surface level compliments and touches on something deeper, the need to feel recognized and valued for who you are. Studies have shown that appreciation is a key emotional trigger. When someone feels appreciated, they experience a sense of worth and recognition which is magnetic for women, especially those who may feel undervalued in their daily lives, whether it's at work, in their relationships, or even in their marriage. Hearing someone say, "I appreciate you," can be incredibly uplifting. It shows that you notice her as a person, not just her appearance, and that kind of validation is rare, but deeply impactful. Phrase 3, you make me want to be a better person. Now let's move on to a phrase that has a powerful emotional charge. You make me want to be a better person. This phrase works on multiple levels. First, it's a compliment, but it's more than that. It's a statement of admiration. Women love to know that they have a positive influence on the people around them, especially their partner, by saying, "You make me want to be a better person." You're telling her that her presence in your life inspires you to grow and improve. This is incredibly flattering because it shifts the focus from you to her. She's the reason you're striving to be better. Think about it. We all love to feel like we're making a positive impact, right? This phrase taps into that desire. It makes her feel like she's inspiring your personal growth, which is incredibly attractive. It's empowering for her, and it makes her feel like she's playing an important role in your life. Phrase 4, you're different from anyone I've ever met. The fourth phrase is a personal favorite because it taps into some ething. We all crave the need to feel unique when you tell a woman you're different. Lesson number 3 from anyone I've ever met. You're highlighting her individuality. No one wants to feel like they're just one of many. We all want to feel special. And this phrase speaks directly to that desire. This is especially effective because it shows that you're paying attention to what makes her stand out. You're not just lumping her in with everyone else. You're recognizing what makes her special. And trust me, this phrase works wonders because it taps into that deep psychological need to feel like you're one of a kind. It's flattering, it's validating, and it makes her feel less in a way that many people overlook. Phrase 5. I'll always support you, no matter what. Now, here's a phrase that speaks to loyalty and commitment. I'll always support you, no matter what. This is a big one. Especially in today's uncertain world, women are naturally drawn to men who can provide emotional security, and by saying this, you're offering her just that. This phrase tells her that you'll be there for her through thick and thin, and that kind of support is incredibly reassuring, in whether she's dealing with challenges in her personal life or simply needs someone to lean on. Knowing that you'll stand by her side is a powerful emotional anchor for married women, especially, who might feel like emotional support is lacking in their relationship. Hearing this phrase can feel like a breath of fresh air. It's not just about being there during the good times. It's about showing up when things get tough. And that kind of commitment creates a bond that's hard to break. Phrase 6. I respect your boundaries. Finally, we have a phrase that's all about respect. I respect your boundaries in any healthy relationship. Respect is key, and this phrase shows that you honor her personal space, her limits, and her independence. Psychologically, this is a huge deal because it signals emotional maturity. It tells her that you're not trying to control her or push her beyond what she's comfortable with. Respecting boundaries is crucial for emotional well-being, and when you acknowledge this, you're building trust. And trust, as we all know, is one of the most important aspects of any relationship. By saying, I respect your boundaries, you're showing her that you value her autonomy, and that's something no woman can resist. Conclusion. So there you have it. 6 phrases that are practically irresistible to women. These aren't just words, they're powerful, psychological triggers that tap into deeper emotional needs, whether she's single, in a relationship, or married. These phrases can help you build stronger, more meaningful connections. Now here's your challenge. Try using these phrases in your conversations and watch what happens. But remember, it's not just about the words themselves. It's about how genuine and sincere you are when you say them. That's when these phrases become truly irresistible. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on psychology, relationships, and much more. Drop a comment below and let me know which phrase you're excited to try out first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.